Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung might have just spilled the beans on a brand new foldable smartphone, and it's not what we expected. Alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, it looks like a more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE could be making its debut this summer. If this turns out to be true, Samsung is about to shake up the foldable market in a big way. Let's dive into everything we know so far about this mysterious fan edition foldable. Samsung's upcoming foldables have been making waves in the tech community, with leaks and rumors painting a picture of sleeker, lighter designs with an improved crease. However, a recent discovery has suggested that Samsung might have a surprise in store, a more affordable foldable option. A well-known tipster recently spotted a new model number, SMF761, in Samsung's OTA update servers. Now, this number doesn't match any existing Samsung device, but it strongly follows the Galaxy Z Flip series naming pattern. If we look at previous models, Galaxy Z Flip 6 SMF 741, Galaxy Z Flip 5 SMF 731. Logically, the Flip 7 should have SMF 751. So what's this SMF 761? The most likely answer? It's the Galaxy Z Flip FE. What is the Galaxy Z Flip FE? If you're familiar with Samsung's Fan Edition, FE, series, you'll know these devices offer flagship-like experiences at a lower price point. Samsung achieves this by making small compromises while keeping key features intact. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is expected to follow this same strategy. What to expect? Display and design. One of the biggest concerns with budget-friendly devices is display quality, but Samsung seems to be playing it smart. According to leaks, the Z Flip FE will feature the same 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display as the Z Flip 6. That means users won't have to compromise on smooth animations and vibrant colors. However, there could be a slight dip in peak brightness, possibly capped at 1900 nits, but overall, the screen experience should remain impressive. Performance. Exynos or Snapdragon. Things get really interesting when it comes to performance. Some sources claim that the Galaxy Z Flip FE will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500, the same chip expected in the Z Flip 7. However, other reports suggest a slightly less powerful Exynos 2400 might be used instead. Regardless, the device is expected to feature up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and daily usage. Build quality and durability. The Galaxy Z Flip FE will likely inherit key design elements from the Flip 6, including ultra-thin glass, UTG, protection, flat armor aluminum frame and hinge, Gorilla Glass Victus for durability, water resistance, although the official IP rating is unconfirmed. Camera setup. Samsung is expected to equip the Z Flip FE with a 50 megapixels main camera and a 10 megapixels front-facing camera, ensuring solid photography capabilities. While it may not match the flagship-level camera systems, it should still provide great photos and videos for everyday users. 5. Pricing. Making foldables mainstream? One of the biggest barriers to foldable phone adoption has always been price. If Samsung manages to price the Galaxy Z Flip FE competitively, it could become the first truly affordable foldable, making the Flip-style design accessible to a much larger audience. Are you excited? With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 already making headlines, the addition of a budget-friendly foldable like the Z Flip FE could be a game-changer. Would you consider buying an affordable foldable phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.